in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get a clear, beautiful and perfect audio without a microphone. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you need, guys, is your editing software, and for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to be using the Capcut application. So we'll be using the Capcut software for this particular tutorial. And mind you guys, I am using my phone, meaning that there is no computer, there is no microphone anywhere. I'm just using my phone's microphone, like my normal Android phone. That is what I'm using for this tutorial. So what you need is to go to your Capcut application. If you do not have a Capcut app, please try to download the Capcut app. So you go to the Capcut application, you upload your video, the one you like to edit, or the video you like to work on. You upload it on the Capcut app. The first thing you want to do, guys, in getting a clear sound, a good sound, you need to record the video in a very quiet environment. That is the most important thing you need to do to get a clear and beautiful sound. You need to record your video in a quiet environment if you want a perfect audio. So it will help you a lot to get the perfect audio you need. So you upload the video in the Capcut application. The next thing you want to do is to go to the enhanced voice. Make sure you do that. You tap on the enhanced voice and you click apply, just like what I'm showing on this, what you're seeing on your screen. You click apply. It's going to take some time to work on the video. The next thing you want to do, guys, is to go to isolate voice. You need to go to the isolate voice and you do the same thing. You click on the isolate voice button and you click apply so that it works on the entire video. It might take some time. The next is to go to reduce noise, guys. This may sound as if it's not important, as if it's useless, but that reduce voice, it really does work on the video. So you go to reduce voice and you click on it. Then you go to volume. You go to volume. You put the volume to be 1000%. That's it. You put all of the, you make sure you apply all of the volume to get the maximum sound you want to get. After doing that, the next thing you want to do is to go to video effects. All these options, all these applications I'm talking about, you find them the down part of your phone. You just need to scroll down and read, and you see all these features I'm talking about. So you go to video effect and you see various types of suggestions that they've given you there. Various types of voices you have there. You see options. So you see energetic, sweet. So you just need to choose the one that suits you. I personally use energetic or sweet depending on my mood for the day, but there are times when sweet sounds bizarre, energetic sounds bizarre, so I just leave my original voice. So you also need to click on that. You choose anyone you need. And another very important part of audio is sound. You can go to the sound part of it and you choose a sound just to make it warm and sweet, just like what we have in this video. You can choose any sound just to keep something going on in your video, just to spice it up a little. Then you can also go to sound effects. Sound is very different from sound effect, guys. This sound, you have these beats, these different beats, like, I don't know, you see it when you click on the feature, you are going to see. So you can go to sound effect to choose like a tune that, something that will just add a little spice to your video, your audio. So you can also choose that. So guys, with all of these, you get the perfect sound. The summary of it is that, one, make sure you shoot your video in a very quiet environment. 2, make sure to enhance your voice. 3, make sure to isolate the voice. 4, make sure to reduce noise. All of these features you see down below your phone. Make sure to reduce noise. 5, or is it number 4? Make sure to increase the volume. To put it all of it. The number 6 is that you make sure to put the sound effect, just touch it a little and put the one that best suits you. The sound effect, is it energetic? The video effect, sorry, you need to do that. So the video effect, is it energetic? Is it sweet? Whatever you want, you need to touch that. So then you go to sound effect and you put the sound that you want. With this, guys, you are going to get the perfect audio. It's really going to make your audio sweet. So please like the video if you haven't, so that it reaches more people. Leave your comment in the comment section. What do you think about all of this? And make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in my next one. Bye.